Like one of my projects before already did something where I could bring my terminals onto the web and then I could like interact with them, but they also would be terminals on my Mac.
Mm-hmm.
VibeTunnel, which was like a weekend hack project that was still very early, and it was cloud code times. You know, you got a dopamine hit when you got something right, and now I get like mad when you get something wrong.
And you had a really great, not to take a tangent, but a great blog post describing that you converted VibeTunnel. You vibe coded VibeTunnel from TypeScript into Zig of all programming languages with a single prompt. One prompt, one shot, convert the entire code base into Zig.
Yeah, there was this one thing where part of the architecture took too much memory. Every terminal used like a node, and I wanted to change it to Rust. And I mean, I can do it. I can manually figure it all out, but all my automated attempts failed miserably. And then I revisited 4 or 5 months later, and I'm like, okay, now let's use something even more experimental. And I just typed convert this and this part to Zig, and then let codecs run off, and it basically got it right. There was one little detail that I had to like modify afterwards, but it just ran for overnight or like 6 hours and just did the thing. And it's just mind blowing.